Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious California roll. First, gather your ingredients: nori sheets, cooked sushi rice, imitation crab, cucumber, and avocado. Begin by preparing your sushi rice. Cook it according to package directions, then gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Let it cool to room temperature before handling. This ensures the perfect texture for rolling. Now let's assemble your roll. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Moisten your hands slightly to prevent sticking, then spread about 1 cup of prepared sushi rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Next, place your fillings, imitation crab, avocado, and cucumber, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Rolling is key to a firm, beautiful California roll. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings and tucking it in. Apply gentle, even pressure as you roll forward, ensuring the roll remains tight. Continue rolling until the seam is at the bottom. Moisten the exposed nori edge with a little water to seal it securely. This technique prevents your roll from falling apart. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your masterpiece. Use a very sharp knife, moistened with water, to cut the roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. Wipe the blade clean between cuts for a smooth finish. Arrange your California rolls on a plate, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or a dollop of tobacco. They're perfect with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Don't forget to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.